Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're brand new to my channel, welcome. My name's Claire. I've got a return of a firm favourite and it is Freebie's Pick a Mix sample service. It's got my address on the back there, so this is what it looks like. If you're new to the sample service, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've heard it all before and you're just curious in seeing what I chose for this month, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. Feel Unique is an online beauty website that sells everything beauty related. It's a huge website and yeah, it's one of my favourite beauty websites. They came out with a sample service years ago. I first heard about it not long after I started YouTube, and that was thanks to Michelle from Lightning Lass. I saw her unbox it on her channel. So you're talking nearly 4 years ago now, and yeah, I absolutely love it. The products are free. It just costs £3.95 shipping. It's only available in the UK. That's the only thing. It is only available in the UK. When your items are sent out to you, that £3.95 shipping that you have paid then gets credited back onto your account so that you can use it against any purchases, but you can't use it against this sample service. So as well as the Pick a Mix, they also do the beauty kit, which I've unboxed on my channel as well. So essentially you're receiving the Pick a Mix completely free. You need to have an account, so you need to sign up and start an account with Feel Unique, and once a month you're able to select your samples. Even though it's not a subscription, say if you sign up on the 1st of March, you will not be able to choose more samples until the 1st of the following month. There is a ton of samples to choose from. There's around like 13 different pages, and you can choose anything from skincare, makeup, hair care, sometimes beauty tools as well. There's some makeup brushes that have been in there, and yeah, perfumes, you name it, anything beauty, and you're bound to find it. And there's some really good brands in there as well. So yeah, so I definitely recommend you checking it out. It's free. It is free, so it is worth it. So I think that's it as far as information goes. All links and everything related to this sample service, as well as the beauty kit, which is sort of a similar sort of concept, as in you get to choose 5 samples once a month, but instead of it being free, you pay £12.99. And then again, your £3.95 shipping on top, but that gets credited back onto your account. But the reason it costs £12.99 as opposed to nothing with a Pick a Mix is that the samples are generally bigger. I'll pop links to the beauty kit as well down in my description. So underneath this video you see show more or a downward arrow. If you do click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So let's get on to showing you what I chose. So the first product I chose is by Clarins, and this is the Dry Touch Sun Care Cream. It's SPF 30 and there's 5 mils here. Now I've already got the full size version of this, but I haven't opened it yet. I wanted to get a little one to see what it's like on my skin before I open the big one. I don't want to use the bigger one until we're sort of out of lockdown, because it's 30 SPF and I'm not really leaving the house. Not even for walks really, which is really bad, but anyway, there's only so much walking around the same place you can do. It just gets really boring. I've bought an exercise bike, so that's sort of helping me at the moment. But anyway, I'm blabbing on and on and on. I don't want to waste the big one then, because as soon as you open an SPF, you've got to use it because it has a shelf life, you know. So I don't want to use it until a couple of months down the line from where we are now. So I thought I'll give a little one a go. If I like it, then I know I can keep it. But if I don't like it on my skin, can you see there, or is it reflecting badly? But yeah, if I don't like it on my skin, I know I can pass it on. So yeah, so we've got a little mini one there. Next, we've got a product by Cerave, and this is a hydrating cream to foam cleanser for normal to dry skin, and there's 15 mils here. Now I've started a Skin and Me subscription. I'm on my 3rd month or 4th month. I can't think now. No, 3rd month I think it is. I pay £19.99 a month for a prescription by a doctor online. If you've never heard of Skin and Me, I'll pop a link down to it in my description. I used to have severe acne, really, really bad acne. I've got polycystic ovary syndrome. I'm now on medication to stop the acne, which is great, but I am left with quite a lot of scarring, particularly around my chin and my forehead. And yeah, just discoloration, redness, patches, and yeah. Anyway, I used to have tretinoin many, many years ago. I used to buy it from Turkey. Many years ago, because you just can't get it in the UK. But my prescription with Skin and Me contains tretinoin in it. So to cut a long story short, they suggest you downsize your skincare and for you to use particular skincare products. You don't have to, but it's their recommendation, and they recommend Cerave. So I've already got this in full-size version. I really do like it. It's a really nice cleanser, but I wanted to get this one to put inside my little box for going away. So it's a cleanser I know I like, easy to use, feels nice on the skin, and yeah, so I can put it in my going away box. Not that I'm planning on going away, but I am really hoping some point this year, hopefully this summertime, but if not, it'll just wait until I go away. So that's long backstory there, but that is the reason why I chose this. Next is a little sample by SVR. This is a lipid restoring anti-irritation care severe dryness and itching cream. It contains omega-3, 6 and 9 and niacinamide 4%, and we've got 10 mils here. Now I've recently tried a face cream from a Look Fantastic beauty box. I think it was their January box, a moisturising cream, and I really liked it. Really liked it. So I'm sure I've had some of the SVR products before in different subscription boxes, but I can't keep everything, so I do tend to give a lot away to friends and family. So I saw this and I thought, do you know what, because with a monthly subscription with the Skin in Me, the tretinoin gets increased every month. So when I start a new bottle of Skin in Me at the start of the month, then my skin can be a little bit sore, so I tend to mix it in with a moisturiser just as an added barrier for protection for the first couple of nights. But I thought, well, this sounds quite nice, especially, you know, anti-irritation, severe dryness and itching. So I don't know, I thought that might be a nice cream to try just for the few days while my skin is getting used to the increased prescription. La Roche-Posay, which is another brand that Skin in Me suggests as well, and this is a 0.1% neurosensing serum, hydrates and helps to repair skin barrier, suitable for ultra sensitive skins, and yeah, 5 mils there. So what else can I tell you about it? Hydrates for 48 hours to 4 weeks. Signs of skin sensitivity caused by dryness are soothed. It's quite a nice size to give it a good shot. Maybe like a week's worth there, maybe, if I use a little bit at a time. And then lastly, I got a makeup product, and I've had this before. I've got quite a few of them. This is Yves Saint Laurent, and this is Touche Éclat. This is the Awakening Foundation with SPF 22, and we've got 5 mils here. Now they've got quite a few different shades, and I've got quite a few of these in my makeup collection, which I'm collecting because I like it. I've got it in shade BR20. So if I get 6 of them, that's equivalent to a full-size bottle, and I'm getting them for free. Do a bit of a recap. So there we go. I'm not holding them very well, am I? These are the 5 samples that I chose for this month's Feel Unique Pick Mix sample service. I'm really chuffed with them. There's a few products I've tried before, and there's a few there that I haven't. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this service? Is this your first time hearing about it? Do you think that you're going to sign up and have a look to see what is available? Or are you thinking, nah, you're not going to bother, it's samples, you're not interested? Or are you a regular like myself that never miss a month? But yeah, all your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.